I'm here to show you that one upgrade that's going to make you look more confident and connected. Hey, what's up, Tech fam? It's your favorite Uncle Odie here. Tech wise, money smart, and camera ready. You ready to create content, stream, or even spend your days on Zoom calls like a boss? Let's talk about the Elgato Prompter. Now, what is it? This 9-inch built-in display teleprompter is the best thing ever. I'm talking air fryer grade amazing. You plug it in, it works like a third monitor. So if you're used to just dragging and dropping your scripts, your Zoom calls, your Twitch chats, it's gonna be right in that lens in front of you. Now, why is this important? It's because if you're filming a video, you're hosting a live stream, or even if you're in a meeting with your team, it's that eye contact, baby. It's that eye contact. That means no side glances, no memorizing lines, and no stress. This thing took me less than 10 minutes to set up. I attached that prompter to my lens using the included setup rings, plugged it in with the USB Type-C, and I was ready to go. Now, it works with most cameras and lenses. I'm talking DSLRs, that Osmo 3 is fire. I didn't need a mobile app. I could have used my PC or my Mac to control everything. It's compatible with my Stream Deck Plus, my XLR, runs off the camera hub, and all I needed that for was just to customize everything I had it going for. For the best part, it was all free, right? Now, in terms of ease of use, I'm literally using this thing right now, and I'm looking directly at you. The power of this setup is that I don't have to memorize anything. I don't have to break eye contact. It's just clean, confident delivery every time. My take on it, though, is that I used to think that teleprompters were for news anchors and bougie TV studios, but this thing literally changed the way I worked. It's smooth, sophisticated, and polished. I'm reading this in real time. But here's the truth. Build quality is solid. I haven't seen anything like this ever. Some say it's mid for the price tier, but it gets the job done. Software, it works. It's not perfect. I wouldn't say it's Apple level polish, because imagine, I think a 13-year-old could figure it out, but I don't think a 65-year-old will be able to figure it out. So if you're just getting started, it's a great first prompter. And if you've been doing this a while, it's even a smart upgrade. But if you're ready to look like you know what you're doing, even if you're winging it, the Elgato Prompter is your new best friend. So what I want you to do is go ahead and leave a comment that says script ready. If you want my personal setup guide, don't forget to follow for more gear that helps you look sharp, stay focused, and looks like you have a family in the industry. So from your favorite Uncle Odie, give me a woo-ah, and I'll see you next time. Peace.